issued a tornado warning for East Central Johnson County in North Central Texas, North Central Hill County in Central Texas, Northwestern Ellis County in North Central Texas, until 8:45 p.m. Central. A thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Itasca, or 12 miles north of Hillsboro, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and golf ball size hail. Source: radar indicated location. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Itasca around 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Granby around 8:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Mayfield around 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This includes the following highways. Interstate 35 mile markers 7 and 16. Interstate 35 east between mile markers 388 and 404. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornado watch number